Hi. I want to talk with you about paper, trees and logbooks. Do you know how the paper is made? Do you know how many trees are cut to make paper? Well, that's not the secret. Nearly 4 billion trees worldwide are cut down each year for paper. And all these harmful emissions produced by paper factories. They are so scary, and during transportation bad emissions are also produced and the fuel is wasted. Just imagine how many industries harm the nature to provide you a paper logbook. Millions of logbooks are used all over the world to log entries. So if we could replace this paper logbooks with electronic ones, we can save lots of paper and many trees. We are glad to present a new product. Dr. Log, your personal electronic logbook. It easily replaces paper logbooks, and makes logging process easy and comfortable. Every 20 logbooks filled with Dr. Log save a tree. More people use Dr. Log, more trees are saved. Join in right now and try Dr. Log.